Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install acrylic bathtub and top surround walls. I'm using wood shims because I have a space between a box that I built and a bathtub itself, and you can buy these wood shims in Home Depot or Lowe's for about $2. The package comes with different sizes of wood shims and it is very easy to find the one that you need. I pre-drill all of the holes before securing the bathtub to the studs. Now I'm building a support for a third wall. So this is the first fitting of surround wall, and I am lucky because I have studs behind it. I don't know if you can see it, but every 24, I believe, inches I have a stud. As you can see, you have to secure your middle section only on the top. Now I'm adding 2x4s as a support for my second wall. And the last support I want to add is for the corner. When you install side sections, just push them a bit towards a middle section and try to make a space between the walls as small as possible. Two side walls you have to secure on the side and on the top. After all measurements, now I need to drill 2 holes for a bathtub valve and a top spout, and I'm using a hole saw for that. And it fit perfectly. So this is the second fit and everything is great. I'm using tube straps to secure CPVC pipes. And this is the final result. In my next videos I'm gonna show you how to repair drywall around bathtub and surround walls, how to apply texture, paint it, and I'm gonna show you how properly caulk your bathtub. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you don't wanna miss my next video, hit the bell notification button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.